Hey guys, let's talk about how to use Black Obsidian. If you're looking to meditate with obsidian, if possible, clear out the energy beforehand with your preferred method of smoke cleansing like incense or by lighting a candle, and select one or more pieces of obsidian to hold while you engage in the meditation. With each exhale, let go of negative feelings, and with each inhale, allow a healing light to enter your aura. Wear obsidian on your left hand to protect and shield yourself and your energy field from negativity. Wear it on your right hand to exude that protective energy, and this will also attract others towards you because they'll be interested in your pure and positive energy that you have. Carrying Black Obsidian with you is also a great added benefit of protection, and if you're looking to use it in the home, it's important to place your stone on top of a table or a shelf just where you can easily see it and it won't be neglected. One of the best places to put your Black Obsidian is at the front door. This way it can act as a filter for those entering your home. And another favorite spot is on top of door frames for the same reason. You can also place it near the window as a great way to make sure it's energized and working to the best of its ability. But you can also cleanse your obsidian in water or by your preferred smoke cleansing method.